Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. If this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign also. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Pisces. What's going on in your side? What's on your side, Pisces? I don't know why I am not able to. Let's see what's on your side, Pisces. Your energies are the Queen of Cups, okay. Let's see what's on your person's side. What's on your person's side, Pisces? The Page of Cups, okay. So let's see what is the most likely outcome in this situation. The Eight of Cups, of leaving behind something. We'll see what that is. So on your side we have the Queen of Cups. So where somebody here is very emotional regarding this person, regarding a person, but the thing is maybe you are not able to open up completely, or you are not opening up completely for some reason. Okay, that's what I feel. You are not opening up completely. Okay, you are holding back your emotions for some reason. You are not showing it all. As far as your emotions are concerned, you are not opening up totally. You are guarding your emotions. Maybe you feel that you are very vulnerable. Maybe you are not showing your vulnerabilities to this person. You are keeping that guard up. Still you are keeping that guard up. You are not you It's like you are protecting your emotions. That's what I feel. You are protecting your emotions for some reason. As far as your person is concerned, this person is ready to open up emotionally, and they are doing it, even if at a small scale or a small step forward. But yes, this person is taking a step forward. As far as the most likely outcome is concerned, with the Eight of Cups, leaving behind something which is not serving you emotionally now. We'll see what that is. It is choosing peace, basically. It's moving towards peace, peaceful horizons, leaving behind whatever is not some sort of emotional baggage, or whatever was troubling you, something like that, or is not useful for you right now. We'll see what that is. So why is this Queen of Cups here on the side of Pisces? Why is this Queen of Cups here for Pisces? So for the Queen of Cups, we have the Nine of Wands, the Page of Pentacles, the World, the Knight of Wands, Eight of Swords, and the Ten of Cups. Okay, let's see why is this Page of Cups here on your person's side. So for the Page of Cups, we have the Seven of Cups, the Queen of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Six of Wands. Okay, let's see why is this Eight of Cups here as the most likely outcome. Why is this Eight of Cups here as the most likely outcome? is this Eight of Cups here is the most likely outcome. So that we have the Seven of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, Eight of Cups once again, Three of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles. Again the Ten of Swords. So definitely leaving behind something. So Pisces, what I feel here is with the Nine of Wands, with the Nine of Wands, Page of Pentacles, the World, King of Wands, Eight of Swords, and the Ten of Cups. What I feel here is that you've been waiting since a long time, and maybe you've been holding back since a long time. That's what I feel. It's been a long time maybe that you've been so emotional for this person, or maybe it's a long time that you've been holding your emotions. You've been holding your emotions since a long time. You've not opened up, perhaps since a long time. That's what I feel. Okay, that's what I'm getting. It's been a long time that you've opened up, or maybe it's been a long time that you've been so emotional for someone. It can be that, or maybe you have not emotionally opened up so much as you want to do right now, but you are not doing it. It's been a long time like that. That's what I feel. And this is a major change which has come up at this time. Okay, and you are feeling that there is a lot of passion in this relationship. It's a major change that you need to open up, or you want to open up, or you're able to open up. So this decision, you've been guarding your emotions since a long time. Okay, and excuse me, that's what I feel for. So whatever the reason is, you've been holding back your emotions since a long time, maybe from this person, or maybe in your life in general. It's been a long time that you've opened up so much, and that is why there is a fear of opening up, maybe. Okay, but yes, you are taking a small step. It's not that you are not taking, but then yes, what I feel here is these small steps are going to make a major change. Slowly and steadily you will be able to open up. That's what I feel. And you will be able to open up and liberate yourself and open up new horizons in your life. You will be opening a new chapter in your life. Okay, so what I feel is, since a long time you've been waiting to open up emotionally, or to this person, or in general, and you are guarding your emotions. Okay, and maybe you are very you, even if you are doing it, you are not showing that emotional aspect of yours. You are showing doing it more practically, using a more logical approach while you are showing your emotions. Okay, so it is not the emotional aspect, but yes, you are taking a small step forward, but in a practical way. It's something like that, not immediately just pouring out your emotions. Okay, you are acting sensible, perhaps, that there was a previous reading also, that this time you are taking a practical approach. If you want, you can see that also. So it's something like that you are responding to this Page of Cups here, but in a logical way, as a Page of Pentacles, a little practical way. Okay, and this approach perhaps is going to, or slowly and steadily, this approach is going to open up a new beginning for you. You have a lot of passion over here with this person. Okay, but it is something which is temporary in the sense, sometimes you feel a lot of passion for this person, and sometimes that fear of holds you back again with the Eight of Swords. Okay, it is something like that. You have a lot of passion, you rush in, and immediately you just retreat because you have the fear of opening up. And again, you are in your own sphere. Okay, no, how can I open up so much? Because it's been a long time that you are emotionally guarded, and there is a fear of opening up. Okay, and so it is like in and out type of energy. You open up and then you retreat, you open up and then you retreat type of a thing. But the thing is, with the Ten of Cups, you really want to have a commitment with this person, you really want to have a family with this person. Okay, you have a lot of emotions for this person, but there is some sort of a fear of opening up, and that is why that on and off type of an energy is there. If there is a rapid impulse, you just show up, and then that fear holds you back. It's something like that. Okay, as far as this person is concerned, we have the Page of Cups, as I told you. And for the Page of Cups, we have the Seven of Cups, Queen of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, and the Six of Wands. So what I feel here is that this person, somehow the vibe which I got initially was, this person is either confused as to what to do, what not to do, what to choose, what not to choose, or how to proceed. It can be that also, because of this on and off behavior of yours. Can be that also. Or maybe you are not opening up completely. Maybe that is why this person is confused. But what I feel here is, this person is stepping up. This person is definitely stepping up. They are able to make a choice between all these Seven Cups. They have chosen you. It's something like that. Okay. they are able to make a choice that no, amongst all, this is the right person for me, and they have decided that is why to open up to you. That's what I feel here. Okay, with the Queen of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Six of Wands, what I feel here is that this person is really finding you very, very attractive. Okay, and they themselves are very sorted out. They are not a somehow the terminology which I'm getting, this is not a clingy type of a person, not a clingy type of a person. This person is like they are happy alone also. The energy of this person is they are happy alone. They know how to stay happy alone. This person is sorted out. This person is in it's like they are a little sort of not that emotional type of a person, a more balanced and a more sorted type of a person. And with the Six of Wands being there, this person really wants to have a commitment with you. So both of you are in the same or on the same page. Okay, so what I feel is that once this person is able to make a decision of opening up, it's I really don't see that this person is getting confused again. It's something like that. Okay, once they have made a decision, they are really happy about it. So vibe with the Queen of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles, I feel is once this confusion is over, this person is really happy. This person is really happy to make that decision of choosing you, and they really want to have victory with you. They really want a commitment with you. Okay, they really want that to celebrate with you type of. Okay, maybe right now you are hard to get, or you are playing hard to get, or you are actually hard to get, something like that. Maybe they are they're finding it they have to make an effort to reach you as for now, but ultimately they will feel victorious, or they will be victorious. That's what I feel. If they are finding it hard to reach you right now, but they are making an effort and they will reach you. That is another thing which I got, another message which I got. As far as the most likely outcome is concerned, we have the Eight of Cups. So definitely leaving behind something which is not of any significance now, and that is the emotional baggage, what I feel, and it is leading to a lot of healing. So for that we have the Seven of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, Three of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and the Ten of Swords. So what I feel here is that there has been some sort of a resistance to this, perhaps. You know, with the Ten of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, there is, you know that you want a commitment with this person, you want a family with this person, but what I feel here is there is some sort of a resistance to it. Maybe you're trying to resist it for some reason, or initially you resisted it maybe, but then once you are able to make a decision, see, what I feel is definitely with the Eight of Cups, Three of Swords, and the Ten of Swords, and with the Eight of Cups here, definitely somebody here is leaving behind a lot of baggage, a lot of emotional baggage, a lot of agony, a lot of heartbreak, and there is a new beginning definitely over here. That's what I feel. Maybe this person is choosing peace. They really don't want any sort of maybe they are resisting this because, again, because of the fear they have of opening up, and they want to be in their own zone type of a thing. See, that's what I was getting here also and now also. Maybe this person is hard to get or a little unapproachable type. Maybe this person is getting unapproachable because they are not opening up emotionally. So maybe they are resisting that thing of opening up. Again, that is the same thing which I am getting. This person is a little unapproachable, and but the other person is making an effort. So maybe they are resisting this or this relationship. Initially they are saying no to it type of a thing. That's what I'm getting. But with the Ten of Pentacles, they know deep within that no, this is the right person, and they really want to commit. And finally, with the Eight of Cups, Three of Swords, Ten of Swords being there, definitely some sort of a cycle is being completed in this time frame. That's what I can say. Somebody is leaving behind a strong emotional baggage and is ready for a new beginning with the Ace of Pentacles. Somebody is really leaving behind the past in a huge way, And for Pisces, it is something really, really important. That's what I feel. Eight of Cups, Three of Swords is emotional heartache, and with the Ten of Swords, a cycle is complete. Somebody is really coming out of heartache. Somebody is really coming out of the pain with this relationship. That's what I feel. This relationship is really helping them and healing them. Message from the universe: back to what you love. Reevaluate your desires. Number 3 may be of some significance for you. So you are again going back to what you love. You are again reaching to the colorful horizons of your life, which were there once upon a time in your life. So that is what this relationship is giving you, Pisces. Beautiful. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.